To create an AI interview, follow these 3 simple steps. Begin by logging into the dashboard, then click on the Create Interview button. This will lead you to a user-friendly interface where the interview creation process begins. In the first step, if you already have a job description, simply copy and paste it into the designated field. Alternatively, you can input a brief description, such as, seeking a business developer with 2 years of experience. If you wish to enhance your job description with the help of AI, that option is available. If you're unsure, feel free to use some of our sample descriptions. For this demonstration, we'll use a sample and edit the job description as necessary. Next, select the difficulty level of the questions that the AI will recommend. The options range from easy, moderate, to hard. For this demonstration, we'll select moderate. Then, provide a title for your job, such as BD intern, and input the company name. Once complete, click Next. The second step is quite straightforward. Select an avatar from the available list, based on your audience and requirements. You have the option to customize the background and extras and select a voice from the provided list. Preview these changes by clicking Play. For this demonstration, we'll stick with the default settings and continue. The third and final step is where the real magic happens. Here, you'll encounter 2 types of questions, standard and role-based. The AI engine recommends these questions based on the job description you entered in the first step. Included are all the standard questions typically asked in any interview, as well as role-based questions tailored to the specific role you're hiring for. In this instance, the AI engine recommends questions related to business development. As a first step, you can click to expand all and customize the question tags and options. Importantly, the AI automatically ranks the answers to aid you in the process. You can select the ideal answer for each question, and the AI will rank them higher when a candidate provides these options. For instance, if a candidate selects 15 days as an answer, it will rank higher, and the same goes for 30 days. You can choose whichever is the ideal answer. This is a single-choice type of question, but we support other types as well. Accordingly, you can set the ideal answers. For example, if you're asking about the experience required for a particular skill, such as in a business development intern role, you might ask for email writing. You might also ask for a number of years of experience. In this case, someone who has at least more than 2 years of experience would be the ideal answer. You can also set this as a Boolean operator. It's really that simple. So, this is how we can customize them. It's possible to even make them role-based. The best part is, we don't have to worry about the ideal answer. Since the AI recommends the question, it also suggests the ideal answer. Thus, we don't need to modify these role-based questions. We can proceed with the default settings. However, we have the option to add personalized questions or allow the AI to suggest more standard or role-based questions. Once the question setup is complete, we simply click the Create button. After the interview is set up, we receive a public interview link. Here's an example of what it might look like. The logo and auto action buttons can be customized within the platform. This link can then be distributed to all potential candidates. It can be shared on public portals, LinkedIn, or even sent out as a mass email. Candidates can start their application process by filling out the form and uploading their resume. An OTP validation for their email will be required. Once the OTP is validated, the first round of the interview begins immediately. Candidates will need to provide consent, state the role they're applying for, and so on. For example, they might have to say, "My name is Santosh, and I'm here for the business development intern role at Personalize. Let's begin by submitting our consent." Once consent is given, the automated interview process commences and the candidate will start the interview. The standard questions could be, what is your notice period? And then what's your current role? And then share your months of experience in the following skills, and then your relevant years of experience for the job. And then expected CTC. And then this is an opportunity for us to introduce ourselves through a video. By clicking on the Record Video button, we can start recording and submit our video. So the AI keeps asking roles-based questions like this. Let's leave it at that for now. Please be aware that if we attempt to exit full screen, it gets monitored and reported to the recruiter that we're trying to switch tabs or look for answers elsewhere. This is part of the monitoring process. Once we've responded, this is what our live interview looks like. All our responses can be viewed in a chart view. And for individual responses, simply click on the play button. To access a summary and our entire resume, click on the resume button. To view our score, navigate to the table view, select a specific interview, and sort by score. This will display the scores assigned by the AI, along with other relevant data. For viewing resumes and individual response videos, these can be easily downloaded by clicking the download button. This makes it simple to share data with colleagues or clients. This is the process of automating the first round of interviews with AI. Instead of interviewing hundreds of candidates ourselves, the AI does the job for us. All we need to do is select the top 10 or 2 candidates and advance them to the next round. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the demo and try our